सोरो पिवन एका क्लबान धुमशणा घातिल्ल्या IPS अधिकाऱ्याचेर कित्याक कारवाय जाली ना? तृणमुलाचो गोंय फुडारी राजन डिमेलोन प्रश्न विचारला. फाल्यां आनीक कोणे तसो प्रकार केलो जाल्यार तुमी ताकाय सोडून दितले काय कितें अशें तो विचारता.
फाल्यां एक इंडियन टुरिस्ट सुद्दां थंय येयलो आनी अशीच जर ताणें भानगड केली जाल्यार ताका तुमी गाडयेन घालून जिपीन घालून दोडे मारलो पळयतले काय काणकोणच्या बॉर्डरार ताका सोडटले नाळोस म्हणटले हें कशें कितें? Why not the normal course of law follow it up? And that too, a man who's supposed to be protecting the citizens of this state gets intoxicated and misbehaves with women. You only suspend him. Why not an FIR? Why not a criminal charge against him? And not only that, they should have it on fast track court so that other officers don't misbehave. The IAS officers and the IPS officers, I'm not saying all, because a few of them, all are getting tarnished. But along with that, the name of Goa, which is very important to us, is getting tarnished. What is the message around? There are advisories coming in different states. Be careful before when you go to Goa. Why is this? And if you are going to only suspend him and send him home, so you can keep on doing the crime. So IPS officer should be put into further stricter action. And you are demanding to send him home. So who come here and misbehave, put them in the car, take them to Domain and send them home. This is what our police force is, and this is what our chief minister is looking at. Who is the Home Minister? See, sometime back there was a GIDC MD going to casinos. From where this money is coming to go to casinos? If this is the state of affairs, or this is the behavior of top officers who are supposed to be guiding, running the administration, protecting the people, so what are we looking for?